Here are 25 helpful tips and tricks to save marriage from divorce. Stop the negativity cycle. Actively eliminate criticism and contempt from your arguments. Holding on to negativity and toxicity will accelerate a relationship's decline. Be willing to compromise. Be willing to give and take in order to find solutions that work for both of you. Don't let anger and frustration build up. Address issues as they arise rather than letting them fester and grow. Communicate openly and honestly with each other. Good communication is essential for a healthy relationship. Listen to each other. Listening is an important part of communication. Take the time to really hear what your partner is saying. Be respectful. Treat each other with respect even when you disagree. Show affection. Show your love and affection for your partner through words, gestures, and physical touch. Spend quality time together. Make time for each other and prioritize your relationship over other commitments. Forgive each other. Let go of grudges and forgive each other for past mistakes. Focus on the positive. Focus on the good in your partner and in your relationship rather than dwelling on the negative. Take responsibility for your own actions. Own up to your mistakes and work to make things right. Be patient. Relationships take time and effort to grow and develop. Be willing to change. Be open to changing your own behavior if it will help improve your relationship. Work on yourself. Work on your own personal growth and development, as this will benefit your relationship as well. Don't hold grudges. Holding on to anger and resentment only hurts you and your relationship. Find common ground. Look for things you both enjoy and find ways to do them together. Be supportive. Support each other's goals and aspirations even if they're different from your own. Don't criticize or belittle. Criticism and belittling only damages the relationship. Keep the romance alive. Do things to keep the romance alive, such as going on dates and surprising each other with thoughtful gestures. Laugh together. Laughter is a powerful way to connect and relieve stress. Be honest about your feelings. Express your feelings openly and honestly, even if it's difficult. Don't compare your relationship to others. Focus on your own relationship and what you can do to make it stronger. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for the good things in your life, including your partner and your relationship. Don't give up too easily. Relationships go through ups and downs, and it's important to be committed to working through the tough times. Remember why you fell in love? Focus on the things that drew you to each other in the first place, and work to keep those things alive in your relationship. Seek counseling. If you're having trouble communicating or resolving conflicts, seek the help of a professional counselor. Turn your relationship from arguments and conflict into love and cooperation. Try Saving Marriage System that has already helped thousands of couples to save marriage and fix relationship.